Skincare is for more than just your face. It's time to revolutionize the way you care for your body with the PMD Clean Body. The PMD Clean Body is a daily use smart body cleansing device that deep cleans, exfoliates, and massages the skin. It uses SonicGlow technology that vibrates at 7,000 times per minute, while operating at the perfect frequency to lift, firm, and tone. It deeply cleanses the skin, reducing oil congestion and removing impurities and bacteria from the skin. The PMD Clean Body is built with ultra-hygienic silicone, making it antibacterial, waterproof, hypoallergenic, and odor-resistant. It's rechargeable, self-standing, and can even be left in the shower. The PMD Clean Body comes with interchangeable attachments, so you can customize your routine and care for your entire body. Gently exfoliate your skin with silverscrub, the silver-infused loofah that is antibacterial. Unlike traditional loofahs, the silverscrub cleanses the skin without spreading or harboring bacteria. If you're looking to buff away rough skin, use the polished aluminum oxide exfoliator. The antibacterial exfoliator is perfect for calloused rough spots like the elbows and feet. Massage tense muscles and relieve day-to-day body aches with the Relax Body Massager. Use in the shower or with your favorite body oil. Transform the way you care for every inch of your body with the PMD Clean Body. Shop now at pmdbeauty.com.